Healthy doesn't have to be boring, and neither does your smoothie. I've got a jazzed up libido boosting treat for you that's full of chocolatey goodness, and you can show your special someone that you've got all the tricks. The Superflirt Smoothie is healthy, fun, and full of all the right ingredients for love. Now we're going to start with our almond milk. Almond milk is a great alternative to dairy milk. Almonds are rich in arginine, an important amino acid to help bring blood flow throughout the whole body. You know what I'm talking about. So get that in there. Now we're going to add some banana. Bananas are a beautiful flavor, of course, but they're also rich in an amino acid tryptophan. Now, tryptophan is really important for helping lift our mood. This is a very important starting point for any libido. Banana in there. Now, not everyone would put beetroot in their smoothie. You think of it as something that you might have for salads, but beetroot is actually delicious blended with the banana and the blueberries. Plus, it's the secret ingredient for libido. It helps us boost nitric oxide, which again is helping with blood flow, plus it supports our liver. So that's our beetroot. Now, that's going to give us a lot of texture in our smoothie. We're also going to add some frozen blueberries. Now, antioxidants are so important at protecting all of our hormones and also help nourish our liver. This is something that's so important for our libido, you guys. Get your blueberries in there. Now let's also add a little bit of extra ice for texture. And also another amazing ingredient that you guys need to have in your smoothies is maca. Maca powder nourishes the libido for both men and women. It's also really good for adrenal support to help us reduce stress in the body. So stress is obviously anti-libido. So we're adding chocolate as well. Chocolate contains phenylethylamines that help boost our mood, because mood is so important. How we feel is going to equate to the energy that we're able to connect with our partner and feel that love within our bodies. Now let's add some more chocolate, double it up with some cacao nibs. We've got some ginger powder. Now, ginger is actually a traditional aphrodisiac, and it's also going to help with stimulation throughout the body. So you can see how this is all adding up to be just exactly what we need to fuel our libido. We've got some protein powder. Now, maqui berry is another super powerful antioxidant-rich superfood, and we're going to add this in. Plus, we've got some ABC spread. Now, ABC stands for almond, Brazil, cashew. And the reason I've chosen this one is because Brazil nuts are rich in selenium. And selenium is important for hormone production, but most of us don't get enough because selenium is often deficient in soil. So Brazil nuts, sourced from Brazil, are a perfect way to top up your diet. Pumpkin seeds are again one of my favorite foods. They're rich in zinc, and they're also an amazing source of protein. And then plus we've got some flaxseed meal. So of course fiber is really important for helping to clear old hormones from the gut so that we don't get them recirculating through the body. And last but not least, let's add some vanilla. Now I love to put vanilla in everything. Vanilla is a natural aphrodisiac. It gives us a sensory experience to our food. We all love the smell of vanilla, and you can use it in so many different types of foods, including smoothies. All right, so let's give this a blend. The color is going to be amazing. So this is the perfect smoothie to serve to your special someone. It's got all the right ingredients that we need to keep that libido healthy, to help stabilize our mood, and to support the love and the connection that we want to have with one another. We have to have a healthy body for it to be able to give us the pleasure that we really crave. Look at that color, it's just gorgeous. Yum, can't wait to drink this.